This is a pronunciation lesson. So I want you to read these words. Number 1. Number 2. And number 3. If you said comfortable or comfortable, island, or indict, then you must watch this lesson. In this lesson, I have 15 words for you. 5 beginner words, 5 intermediate words, and 5 advanced words. So as we go forward in this video, the words and their pronunciations are going to get more and more challenging. For every word, we will talk about its meaning, pronunciation, and one example sentence. So you will learn some new words, you will see them in sentences, and you will learn how to correctly pronounce them. In this way, we will kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Vocabulary and pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's start. Look at this one. What is it? It's a place to store foods or plates in a kitchen. But how do you pronounce it? The first part is cup, and the second part is board. So put them together and you have cupboard. It's a cupboard. No, it's not. It's not a cupboard. It's a cupboard. Cupboard. Say it after me. The first part is cub, not cup. Cub. Cub. The second part is erd. Erd. So, cupboard. 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 Not cupboard, but cupboard. Just a small note, my pronunciation is American. So, if you check in the dictionary, the British pronunciation may be different. For example, in American English, this is cupboard. In British English, it's cupboard. Okay, let's move on to the second word. What's this? Look at the second part. It's a table. Table. Put the first part together, so it's comfortable. Comfortable. Believe me, I hear students say comfortable. It's not comfortable, it's comfortable. Comfortable. Say it like this. Comfortable. Comfortable. Put them together. Comfortable. 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 If something is comfortable, you feel relaxed. For example, this chair is comfortable. Not comfortable, comfortable. Okay, look at this. Very similar. The second part is table. So it's vegetable. Vegetable. I don't eat many vegetables. That is something one of my beginner students said recently. It's not vegetable. It is vegetable. 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 Things like lettuce or cabbage or the broccoli. Yeah, not so delicious, but very healthy. I eat vegetables every day. So, vegetable. Look at this one. Wednesday. It's a day in the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? No. Wednesday. The second part is day. It's easy. The first part, it's not Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Wednesday. Here's an important thing. Look at the shape of my lips when I say it. My lips are close to each other and they're not touching my teeth. They are getting close to each other like Wednesday. If you say Wednesday, that is your top teeth touch your bottom lip, that is V, it's not W. So instead of Wednesday, you should say Wednesday. I have a meeting on Wednesday. Look at the second part, late. If you are not on time, you are late, or you may be early. Late. Late. At Choco, and you have chocolate. Chocolate. I love chocolate, teacher. Ah, my favorite food, chocolate. It's not chocolate. It's chocolate. 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 Chalk. That's a long vowel. Chalk. Lit. That's a schwa. Lit. What's a schwa? Let's talk about it. It's very important. Schwa is a sound. What kind of sound? It's the sound of eh. Eh, but when you are tired. If you are tired and you want to say eh, you don't say eh. That's too much energy. You say oh. This is schwa. Oh. So you don't say chocolate. You don't have that much energy. You say chocolate. Lit. You're tired. You know, I'm lit. You know what? I'm so tired. I'm low on energy, so lit. Chocolate. Chocolate. That's schwa. She loves dark chocolate. Chocolate. Okay, that was an easy start. Let's raise the bar. Let's go to the intermediate level words. Look at this. What is it? It's a line of people who are waiting patiently for their turn. How do you pronounce it? It's a Q-wa, or it's a qua. What's this? It's a qua. Here's an easy tip. Remove everything, just keep the first letter of alphabet. What is it? Q. This is a Q. The rest of the words are silent. If you are wondering why this is happening in English, nobody knows. So it's not qua, it's Q. We are waiting patiently in a queue. Okay, next one. What is this? It's a military rank. It's a high rank in the army. But how do you read it? It's easy. Colonel. Colonel. No. Actually, it's colonel. Colonel. There's no R. Yeah, there's no R. But what about the L? You don't read the L. Instead, you say Colonel. Colonel. Repeat after me. Colonel. The colonel spoke to his soldiers. Colonel. Okay, this one may be simple. You may know the meaning, but I have seen a lot of students mispronounce this. What does it mean? It means the amount of money that you have to pay back. You have to return. But how do you read it? Easy. Debt. No. B is silent. Debt. Debt. No B. Debt. He is trying to pay his debt. Debt. Okay, look at this one. What is it? It's a piece of land surrounded by water. But how do you pronounce it? Teacher, this is simple. Island or island. None of them. It's actually island. 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 The second part has a schwa. So it's not I-land. You don't have that much energy. Remember? Schwa. You're tired. Island. 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 It's an island. They live on a small island. Look at this word. What does it mean? It is used to describe something that is small and hard to notice. It's like very low, very small, barely noticeable. And how do you pronounce it? It's easy. Subtle. It's subtle. No, it's not subtle. It's actually subtle. Subtle. Put them together. Subtle. Subtle. Repeat after me. Subtle. Subtle. There is a subtle difference. There is a difference that is barely noticeable. It's very small. There is a subtle difference. Okay, so far we've covered 10 words of beginner and intermediate levels. We're going to go to the advanced level. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up right now. And if you're new to my channel, click subscribe. Ready to continue? Before that, if you want to download my book, more than 500 pages of lesson summaries of all of my YouTube channel videos for free, go ahead, click on the link above this video, download it now. Ready? Let's continue. Let's go to the advanced level. Look at this. See? It's getting more difficult. What does it mean? This is a person who creates businesses from scratch. People who make businesses, people who make jobs for other people are, how do you pronounce it? Entrepreneur or entrepreneur. No. Entrepreneur. No. Listen carefully. Entrepreneur. 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 Say it with me. Entrepreneur. 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 She is a successful entrepreneur. Next word. What does it mean? It means complete disorder. But how do you read it? Well, CH is pronounced as ch. So it's chaos. Maybe it's not che, maybe it's ke, so it's chaos. No, it is chaos. 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 The room was in chaos. The room was an absolute mess. Look at this. It looks difficult, but it's very easy. This word means different things together. Some random objects or some random things together. But how do you pronounce it? Well, it's miscellaneous. 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 Or no, miscellaneous. None of them. Miscellaneous. 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 Put these items in the miscellaneous box. Miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. A bunch of random things. Now, look at this. This word is used to describe different ranks of things. It's a system of levels for leveling, especially used in power dynamics, where you say the top layer, they have more power than the bottom layer. So a system of levels or a system of ranks. Even in the army, the military ranks, they have one of these. What is it called? How do you read this? It's hierarchy or hierarchy. No, it's pronounced hierarchy. 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 Companies in their system have a clear hierarchy. They have a clear hierarchy. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5 is like the C level, the C-suite. Like CEO, CTO, COO, the top level, top of the hierarchy. And getting to the last word of this lesson. It's a difficult one, but look at it. It's very small. First, what does it mean? It means to accuse somebody of something. Someone has committed a crime and somebody else, like a judge in a court of law, accuses them of something. How do you pronounce it? Indict? No. C is silent. So, indict? No. Indict. Stress is on the second syllable. Indict. Indict. It's a verb, which means to accuse someone of a crime. The court will indict the suspect. The court will indict the suspect. What is the noun form of this? Indictment. Again, indictment, indictment, indictment. Indictment, indict. And that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. I hope you've learned some new words and the correct pronunciation of some of these words that you were previously mispronouncing. Now, I want you to go down to the comments section and let everyone know, is there any word that you think has a very hard pronunciation? A word that is very difficult to pronounce? Let us know in the comments section. See you soon. Bye.